Hello everyone, welcome to all my YouTube channel e-learning for all. Friends, today I am sharing a tutorial video on how to filter a common keyword in an Excel datasheet. Before start this video, I request to all new viewers, please click on below subscribe red button to subscribe my channel. Friends, here is a Excel datasheet. I want to filter a common keyword. Here is a assistant professor is a common keyword, and I want to filter this assistant professors, all assistant professor from this list. How to filter? Just click on Ctrl A button to select all and click on conditional formatting, then click on highlight cell rules, then just click on text that contains. Here just write all assistant professor term and select the light red fill with dark red text, or you can fill the green fill with dark green text, or light red fill red text, which you want to fill. I just select light red fill with dark red text. Okay, and you just see that all assistant professor are highlighted in this list. If you want to filter this assistant professor, all assistant professor, just click on sort and filter, then click on custom sort, choose the expand the selection and click on sort. Here the first sort by designation, then cell color, and then order means top. Just click on OK. So all assistant professors are filtered in sequentially. So you just copy it and paste it, open a new sheet and paste it. So you can easily filter all assistant professors from a Excel datasheet using these tutorial steps, easy steps. So if you have any query regarding this tutorial video, just put it on the comment section of this video, and if you like this video, click on like button and please share this video. And thank you all of you for watching this full video tutorial from my YouTube channel. Thank you. I will back again with a new tutorial video. Bye bye.